Meet 10 species of animals from the Atlantic forest of Brazil. Animals from the Atlantic forest live in one of the richest biomes in Brazil. Currently, about 15% of the Brazilian territory is made up of Atlantic forest. However, deforestation has been destroying the forest, so that today only 12.4% of the original coverage of the biome remains. The fauna of the Atlantic forest is one of the most diverse in the world. However, just as the forest is endangered, its inhabitants are also threatened with extinction. Number 10. Yellow-throated caiman. The broad-snout alligator is a crocodilian reptile of the family Alligatoridae and genus Caiman. It is widely distributed throughout southeastern South America, occurring in any ecosystem associated with water in the Parana, Paraguay, Uruguay, and São Francisco River basins, being common from the extreme east of Brazil to Uruguay. It also occurs in coastal ecosystems such as mangroves. It is a carnivorous animal that lives approximately 50 years. They are known by this name because, during the mating phase, these animals tend to have a yellowish crop area. They have the widest snout of all crocodilians. Number 9. Wild dog. This mammal of the Canidae family can appear in any Brazilian biome, but their nocturnal habits do not allow them to be easily seen. They can be alone or in groups of up to 5 individuals. Number 8. Tanager. The bird measures between 13 and 15 centimeters and has a very marked sexual dimorphism. The male has sky blue plumage, with the top of the head red and the rest black, while its wings and tail tip are black. The female has green plumage, with a darker back, wings and tail. Number 7. Scissors. It is a species of bird that has a wide distribution, being found in tropical areas, across the Atlantic Ocean, in Central and South America, and in the Pacific Ocean, from Colombia to Peru. In Brazil, breeding colonies are easily found in the states of Bahia, Rio de Janeiro, São Paulo, Parana and Santa Catarina, and in the archipelagos of Fernando de Noronha, Pernambuco, Santa Catarina. The latter is the southernmost limit of colonies of this species. When it reaches adulthood, it can be 1 meter long, from head to tail, and more than 2 meters wide, from the tip of one wing to the tip of the other, and weigh around 1.5 kilograms. Number 6. Margay. This feline has a coat similar to that of the ocelot and the wild cat, with a golden color and dark spots arranged mainly on the sides of the body. The margay. It prefers to hunt by walking on tree branches and feeds on small vertebrates, mainly rodents and birds. Number 5. Dormouse. The quetzingüel, also called serralipe or quatapuru and known in English and Spanish respectively as Brazilian squirrel and ardilla de Brazil, which in a free translation into Portuguese would be respectively Brazilian squirrel and squirrel from Brazil, is a species of forest squirrel which measures about 20 centimeters in length. It is endemic to South America, and can be found in Brazil, Guyana, French Guiana, Suriname, Venezuela and northeastern Argentina. Number 4. Coati. The coati is a mammal of the order Carnivora, of the family Procyon and of the genus Nasua. The group is distributed from Arizona to northern Argentina, having 3 species, Nasua nasua, Nasua nerica and Nasua nelsoni. This animal is also known by its popular name Tamandua paleto and has the characteristic of living in groups, possessing however a longer nose and a more elongated body, with paws that remotely resemble those of bears, very useful for climbing trees. It is grayish-yellowish, but very variable. Number 3. Black-billed toucan. The iconic bird of Rio de Janeiro is known for its long black beak with a yellow mark at the base. It has black feathers along its body and yellow and red down on its chest. Number 2. Northern Muriqui. The largest primate that inhabits the American continent is one of the animals that live in the Atlantic forest. Endemic to the Brazilian Atlantic forest. It was once considered a subspecies of the southern Muriqui, and is now considered a separate species. It is not clear which primate group is closest to the Muriquis, but some studies point to a common ancestry of the genus Brachyteles with the woolly monkey. Number 1. Golden lion tamarin. The golden lion tamarin has long been threatened with extinction due to the devastation of the Atlantic forest. It is estimated that there are about 1,000 individuals in the wild of this primate that has a bright red coat. Thanks for watching, and until next time.